When the line stays quiet, it isn't luck. It's missing the right story beneath the surface. Today we'll map that story. Castable sonars, underwater cams, and smart tools that turn guesswork into clear signals. You'll preview the aha moment, seeing fish track your lure, then learn how to repeat it spot to spot. And the twist? The patterns you couldn't see before are about to become obvious. Number 1. Garmin Striker Cast. Turn any rod into a smart fish finder. Striker Cast sits on your line and sends real-time sonar to the free Garmin app, helping you see fish arches, structure, and bottom hardness from shore, dock, or kayak. Simple cast and reel operation, fast wireless connection, and intuitive on-screen views make it beginner-friendly, yet powerful for pros scouting new water. It's compact, rugged, and designed to handle fresh or saltwater sessions. If you want portable sonar without mounting a display, this is a reliable, budget-friendly upgrade. Number 2. Garmin Striker Vivid 4CV, a compact fish finder with bright color palettes that make fish and structure pop. Vivid 4CV combines traditional sonar with clear VU scanning for crisp separation in shallow and mid-depth scenarios. The easy keypad controls, waypoint marking, and quick menus suit small boats, john boats, and kayaks. It's an excellent first upgrade from guessing, giving you reliable visuals to pattern contours, weed lines, and brush. If space is tight but you still want modern sonar clarity and simple navigation, this little unit punches above its size. Number 3. MOOCOR Underwater Fishing Camera. Step up to sharper visuals. This AHD 1080p MOOCOR delivers higher definition underwater footage so you can read subtle details, fin flicks, bait fish schools, and how fish trail your lure. With adjustable lighting and a durable camera housing, it's built for ice, docks, and boats alike. The organized carry kit simplifies transport and setup. If you're dialing finesse, jigs, spoons, or live bait, seeing fish mood in HD helps you pick cadence and color quicker, turning lookers into biters. Number 4. Aqua-Vu Micro Revolution 5.0 HD, a premium micro camera with Aqua-Vu's clever reel system for fast drop and retrieval. The compact display and rotating camera let you scan cover, check bottom composition, and watch strikes unfold. Known for clear imaging and solid build quality, the Micro Revolution series is popular with ice anglers and panfish hunters who need quick, repeatable looks at structure. It's lightweight, battery efficient, and travel ready. If you want pro-level underwater visuals in a small form factor, this is a slick, packable solution. Number 5. Eyoyo Underwater Fishing Camera. A value-packed underwater camera set with a bright 7-inch monitor, adjustable lights, and a rugged carry case. Eyoyo makes deployment simple. Lower the camera, tune the illumination, and watch fish approach in real time. It's excellent for teaching kids, verifying species, or checking bed locations without spooking fish. The kit format keeps everything organized, and the display remains readable outdoors. For anglers wanting visual confirmation without premium pricing, this all-in-one package is an easy recommendation. Number 6. Eyoyo EF07ER. Underwater Fishing Camera. A compact Eyoyo system designed for grab-and-go scouting. The camera module provides clear footage, while the monitor and control box offer straightforward operation on ice or small craft. Adjustable lighting helps in cloudy water, and the included case keeps cables and components tidy. Use it to inspect brush piles, locate roaming schools, or fine-tune jig cadence. If you want a dependable, portable viewing setup that won't crowd your sled or kayak, the EF07R hits a sweet spot on price and function. Number 7. Eyoyo Underwater Fishing Camera. Bigger screen, built-in recording. This Eyoyo adds a 9-inch display and onboard DVR so you can capture sessions, review follows, and share highlights. It's especially useful for learning behavior, how fish react to lift drops, pauses, or color changes. The hard case, cable spool, and adjustable lighting keep setup quick and tidy. For content creators or anglers who like to analyze patterns after the trip, recorded footage becomes a cheat code for dialing tomorrow's plan. Number 8. Eyoyo Underwater Camera Panner Positioner. Lock in the perfect angle. This motorized panner rotates your underwater camera to scan structure without constantly lifting the setup. With hands-off 360-degree control, you can sweep weed lines, cribs, and drop-offs to spot fish quickly. It pairs nicely with Eyoyo and other compact cams, saving time and letting you track moving schools. For ice anglers who hole hop or manage multiple rods, a panner adds efficiency. More time fishing the right direction, less time wrestling cables. Number 9. GoFish Cam. 1080p wireless underwater fishing camera. Clip it in line, cast, and capture the strike. GoFish Cam records 1080p underwater footage of follows and hits, letting you see exactly how fish react to your lure. Use it for trolling, casting, or bottom rigs in fresh or salt water. The streamlined body tracks true, the app makes review easy, and the insights are priceless. Spot short strikes, dial retrieve speed, and prove which color really wins today. For anglers who love data and creative edits, this camera is addictive. Number 10. KastKing Brutus Folding Landing Net with Boat Hook. A smart packable net designed for kayaks, john boats, and shore missions. The Brutus folds at the yoke, telescopes quickly, and includes a handy boat hook for nudging docks or retrieving lures. Coated, tangle-free mesh treats fish gently and resists hook snagging during quick landings. The aluminum frame remains rigid under load but keeps weight manageable. With a compact footprint and fast deployment, it's ideal for anglers who move spot to spot. If you want a reliable, space-saving net that's easy to stow, this one earns a permanent slot. Number 11. KastKing Pontus Fishing Net. Built for fast landings and minimal tangles, Pontus uses a light yet sturdy aluminum handle with a quick fold hub, so it collapses for transport and pops open when the bite turns on. The rubber-coated mesh protects fish slime, sheds hooks, and cleans up easily. A comfortable EVA grip helps when you lean over a rail or kayak edge. It's sized right for multi-species, from trout and bass to inshore reds, making it a versatile tool for weekend trips. If you value portability and fish care, Pontus checks both boxes. Number 12. PLUSINNO Floating Fishing Net. Lose the net overboard? It floats back. This PLUSINNO model integrates foam flotation along the frame so it stays on the surface during chaotic landings from kayak or bank. The rubber-coated knotless mesh protects fins and slime, while the compact hoop is perfect for trout and light steelhead. A corrosion-resistant frame and comfy handle stand up to frequent wet use. Whether you're wading or seated in a kayak, the float design adds confidence. It's a thoughtful upgrade for anglers who value fish care and gear security. Number 13. PLUSINNO Telescopic Rod and Reel Combo. A travel-ready kit that outfits you for ponds, piers, or weekend getaways. The telescopic rod collapses small but extends to a responsive length for longer casts. A smooth spinning reel with anti-reverse and an easy line lay helps new anglers find rhythm fast. Depending on configuration, the bundle often includes line, lures, and a carry case, handy for keeping everything together. It's a solid starter setup or spare trunk rod for spontaneous sessions. If you want convenience without sacrificing basic performance, this combo is an easy win. Number 14. PLUSINNO Carbon Fiber Rod and Reel Combo. A step-up combo blending strength and sensitivity. The carbon fiber and fiberglass composite blank maintains backbone for hook sets while transmitting bite feedback. The spinning reel offers smooth drag, balanced rotation, and a comfortable knob for all-day casting. Many kits include a protective case and curated tackle, nice for beginners learning multiple techniques. From spinners and crankbaits to soft plastics, it handles common freshwater styles well. If you're upgrading from a big box starter, this delivers better feel and consistency without demanding a custom build. Number 15. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. Everything you need to hit the water in one bag. This PLUSINNO kit typically bundles a collapsible rod, smooth spinning reel, basic terminal tackle, and travel case, making it great for gifts or first setups. The telescopic design packs small for road trips or city commutes, while the reel's drag and line lay keep beginners confident. It's optimized for bluegill, crappie, trout, and bass in ponds or small lakes. If you want to start fishing without endless piecing together, this kit trims the learning curve. Number 16. TRUSCEND Swimbaits for Bass. A proven paddletail profile designed to cover water and trigger reaction bites. TRUSCEND pairs soft, durable plastics with lifelike detailing and pre-rigged jig heads so they fish straight out of the package. The thumping tail kicks on slow rolls or faster retrieves, holding its track around grass edges, docks, and points. They're versatile for largemouth, smallmouth, and even inshore species. When you need a confidence bait for stained water or overcast days, these swim baits produce consistent bites and are easy to fish for any skill level. Number 17. HOOK-EZE Nail Knot Tool, a specialty helper for fly anglers building clean leader connections. This HOOK-EZE variant focuses on nail/leader knots, helping you create slim profiles that pass guides smoothly and turn over better. It's especially handy riverside when cold hands make precise wraps tough. Compact construction means it lives in your vest without bulk. If you're transitioning from pre-made leaders to custom rigs, or you value reliable, repeatable knots, this tool reduces frustration and keeps your setup tidy, strong, and ready for delicate presentations. Number 18. Piscifun Fishing Line, Winder, Spooler Station. Say goodbye to line twist and sloppy spooling. Piscifun's bench-style winder holds bulk spools under tension so mono, fluoro, or braid lays evenly on your reel. Adjustable clamps and shafts accommodate different spool sizes, while the smooth drag knob lets you dial precise resistance. It's compact enough for a desk, yet sturdy for repeated respools before trips. The result is better casting distance, fewer wind knots, and a cleaner setup overall. If you maintain multiple combos, this station saves time and protects your investment. Number 19. Dr.meter waterproof digital fish scale. Weigh your catch with confidence, then let it go safely. This Dr.meter model combines a bright backlit display, tare function, and memory to track multiple fish across the day. The waterproof floating body adds security around boats and docks, while the included lip gripper keeps fish steady and reduces stress during measurement. Compact and rugged, it stashes in a pocket or tackle crate. If you fish tournaments, chase PBs, or simply like accurate logs, this scale provides reliable numbers without adding bulk. Number 20. Dr.meter PS01 Digital Fish Scale. A versatile scale for everyday trips. The PS01 features a clear backlit display, quick unit switching, and tare so you can weigh fish in slings or nets. A sturdy hook handles heavier catches, while the compact body fits in vest pockets. The interface is simple for one-handed use, and the auto-off preserves battery life. Whether you're tracking keepers, sharing weights with friends, or building seasonal data, this little workhorse is accurate, dependable, and ready for freshwater or inshore missions. Number 21. FULGATI. Waterproof digital fish scale plus lip gripper. 2 core tools, 1 compact kit. The FULGATI package pairs a waterproof digital scale with a locking lip gripper, letting you weigh fish securely without handling gills. The backlit display is easy to read in low light, and a memory function lets you record multiple catches. Rugged construction withstands spray and bumps in the boat. For anglers who want reliable weights and safer fish handling, this combo delivers practical value and keeps the measuring process quick, clean, and repeatable on busy days. Number 22. ORI, a digital fish scale with lip gripper, built for versatility and big fish moments. ORI's set includes a wide-range digital scale, an anti-slip handle, and a secure lip gripper to steady thrashing catches. The backlit LCD, tare, and unit toggle make it straightforward, while the compact form drops into any tackle bag. Ideal for bank anglers, kayak crews, and small boat teams who want reliable numbers without bulky gear. If you're after catfish, pike, or stripers one day and panfish the next, this scale gripper combo covers both ends comfortably. Number 23. Sand-like fish lip gripper with digital scale. A 2-in-1 tool that speeds measurements and protects fish. The integrated digital scale reads quickly as the spring-loaded jaws hold the lip securely. An ergonomic anti-slip handle helps when fish surge boatside, and corrosion-resistant materials suit freshwater or light salt use. It's compact enough for wade belts and kayak crates. For solo anglers who need one-handed control and trustworthy weights, this gripper scale combo simplifies the entire process and encourages cleaner, more humane handling during catch and release sessions. Number 24. KastKing Speed Demon 110-volt electric fillet knife. Plug-in power for marathon cleanups. This 110-volt version offers steady torque and continuous runtime, great for cabin kitchens or garage stations. Multiple blade sizes tackle everything from crappie to big salmon, while the cooling design helps maintain performance under load. The textured grip reduces fatigue, and the safety trigger prevents accidental starts. If you prefer wall outlet reliability and want consistent, clean cuts through bone and rib cages, this corded option is a dependable workhorse for frequent processors and weekend guides alike. Number 25. KastKing Spartacus Fillet Knife, a classic flexible fillet with salt-friendly steel. The Spartacus uses G4116 stainless for corrosion resistance and edge holding, paired with a comfortable polymer handle that stays sticky when wet. The included sheath locks securely and vents for quick dry-out. Available blade lengths cover trout, bass, and inshore species. It's a reliable manual knife to keep in the boat or travel kit when you don't need electric power. For precise, clean fillets on smaller to mid-size fish, this is a trusted, budget-wise pick. Number 26. KastKing Intimidator Fillet Knife. Keep your edge tuned mid-session. The Intimidator pairs a flexible fillet blade with a matching sheath that carries a compact honing steel, so touch-ups are always at hand. The ergonomic handle stays grippy in slime and spray, and the blade flex helps trace rib bones and skin cleanly. It's a smart addition for anglers who like manual control but still want quick maintenance between fish. If you value tidy fillets and a consistent edge without a full sharpening kit, this setup is convenient. Number 27. KastKing Folding Fillet Knife, a portable fillet that fits in a pocket or tackle crate. The folding design protects the blade and your gear during travel, while the textured handle and liner lock deliver secure, confident cuts at the cleaning table. Stainless construction resists rust, and the slim profile suits kayaks, shore bags, and minimalist setups. It's perfect as a backup or primary knife for smaller fish. If space is tight and you still want a capable blade for quick processing, this folder is a clever solution. Number 28. KastKing Steel Stream 6-piece Fishing Toolkit, a tidy toolkit for the boat box. Steel Stream bundles essentials: pliers with braid cutters, fish gripper, line snips, hook remover, measuring tape, and a storage case, so you're covered from unhooking to quick repairs. Corrosion-resistant materials and textured grips hold up in wet conditions, while the compact case keeps everything organized. Instead of piecing items separately, you get a matched set that's easy to stash under a seat. For new anglers building a kit or veterans refreshing tools, this bundle nails the basics. Number 29. Sliding in. Fishing rod holder, waist belt. Give your hands a break while retying or unhooking fish. This waist belt rod holder secures the butt of the rod so it stands upright, freeing both hands for knots, photos, or lure swaps. The rotating socket helps align different rod angles, and the quick lock keeps rods from slipping while you move. It's lightweight, adjustable, and ideal for bank hopping, wading, or kayak use. If you've ever dropped gear while juggling tasks, this small accessory adds comfort and safety to busy sessions. Number 30. Quali. Quali LED lighted slip bobbers. Don't miss after dark bites. These LED slip bobbers glow bright to signal subtle takes when visibility is low. The streamlined bodies cast well, the replaceable batteries extend life, and the spring hardware handles common line sizes. Pair them with live bait or slow jigs for crappie, walleye, and catfish around docks and points. For sunrise starts, night missions, or murky water, illuminated floats make strike detection effortless and add a fun visual element. Great for kids and seasoned night anglers alike. That's our lineup of fishing gadgets built to turn quiet water into solid hookups. If you found a tool that fits your style, sonar, camera, or net, drop a comment with your favorite pick or your next target species. Hit like to help more anglers find these upgrades, share this video with your fishing crew, and subscribe for more field-tested gear rundowns and deal alerts. Tight lines till the next one. Phil.